Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your cover photo on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the fourth icon down below, which is the profile icon. Click on add cover photo, and here you have many options. You can either create a avatar cover photo, upload a picture, select photo in Facebook, or create a collage. Tap on upload photo, and here you can select from these options. Tap on the button down in the upper right corner of the screen. You should drag to move your cover photo and place it within this frame. Then click on the save button again, thereby setting your cover photo. As you can see, it has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.